Once, twice, 100 times, and then take it to the publisher. You were small kids, I wanted to appreciate you, I wanted to... Editor, but the next time you write something, I expect you to review your copy at least 100 times so that it may meet the levels of excellence at all places. When you write something, okay, there are some thoughts in your mind. So this is rightly exactly the platform where you have the best intellectual right to say what she has done.
Talking about this book of mine, the first book of mine was My Heart and Soul, and it was published 6 years ago. But I would like to share a few of the things that I have noticed as a difference in that book and this book of mine. Through the very years, what I used to write in the beginning and what I have written after that, I have seen a lot of growth through that. The kind of person that I am today and I was today. I remember at the very function of the release of my first book, I had written down a very nice speech and I had literally crammed it because I was pretty nervous that how is it going to be and what am I going to say. But today I just jotted down some points, so I would count that as growth also. And another thing that I would like to share with you is that what is the purpose of this function today is that I want this day to create a ripple effect. This should not end here. This function should go a long way, and many such functions should take place where the achievements of youngsters like us are appreciated and they motivate other people also to go forward and make their parents and their elders, everyone very proud of themselves. So we are making this endeavor towards a better society and a society that has a good effort and a good motive in their hearts and their minds.
The ideas which we get should be from everywhere and every place in a person's life. We cannot say that any person is devoid of any ideas. Sometimes we say that we are not getting any ideas, but the ideas are always there. We just have to look for them. Once we look for the ideas, the best thing to do is to capture them as soon as we can, because the life of an idea which comes in our mind is not more than 3 minutes unless and until we capture it. Now what I used to do when I was writing is I used to keep a small notepad with me, and whenever I used to get an idea of writing a story or a poem or an article or anything else, I used to note it down, and later I would just consult the notebook to see and find that, okay, yeah, this is the idea and I have to write about that. And the second thing is the importance of shipping. Now in business terms, we say that when a product is ready, it should be shipped. Now I could have written all these short stories in my diary, in my notepad, at my home, but unless and until I put it out in front of the people, with my critics, with my readers, these things are just for me and they don't have any real meaning at all. So there are many creative people in the world. Some people have different kind of creativity, but that doesn't mean that we should let ourselves be limited by that creativity only. What we have to do is that we have to develop our strengths, and if we have some weaknesses, we can even let go of them. Because once our strengths are more, then it's only then that people really excel. So with that, I would like to thank all my teachers who are here and my parents for giving me this beautiful platform to express myself, and our guests for being here. And above all, I would like to thank God for giving me this ability to write, to express myself in whatever way I can.
It's a real proud moment for David Campus that two of the Starbucks have authored 2 books. It's a wonderful attempt by these budding authors of Starbucks. This is second book from Srishti. I have also read your first book, Srishti, and it is made a venture by Pallav. Is it so? I am. Wonderful attempt, proud moment for DAV campus. The day is not far off when DAV Abor has produced many literary figures like Prem Aborvi, Anpadti, and one author of Pota Pota Dutt. Mr. Mola, of Pota Pota Dutt. Now we are seeing these 2 newcomers in this field. It's really an honor for our city as well. Wonderful attempt. We are not in the habit of reading books. Frankly, we must admit it. It's very common practice in European countries, American, in US as well. But here we do not in the habit of reading books. We are in the habit of listening from others. So we must develop this taste of reading books. The main idea why we are not studying books, why we are not reading books is the cost of the books. Now the pay packets are quite hefty and we can easily afford such books. And we must develop a library in our homes so that we must come across such like wonderful ventures.
I think I'm the one who is getting maximum emotional, since the 2 happen to be my children. I have seen them passing from that very stage when they had just learning to step, walking slowly in the verandas of the school, getting their instructions right from nursery, and reaching the stage of +2. A series of experiences, a series of happenings, a series of applauds and criticisms. Today, in this scenario of internet, when visual media has become all and all, reading of books has become really a very scarce phenomenon. As in the words of Dr. B.P. Sharma, we hardly find any time. Actually, we don't have time for anything. We are in a world of hurry and worry. We often talk. We have no time to stand and stare. The life is full of care. We have so many worries, we have so many anxieties. Every moment we are passing through this and that. We hardly have the sensitivity to look at the beautiful things around. Srishti has created another Srishti in the form of her poems, beautiful poems, where she has sensitized each and every beautiful thing around. In her first book, My Expressions, and in her second book, Manifestations, she has given a voice to each and every object around as if it is talking to us. I am more than happy. I have always found in her a coming writer, a future writer, who can write about the sensitive things. In this world of material development, when materialism has gone heavy upon each and every one of us, we are all the time talking of BMWs, Mercedes, hotels, 5 stars, 7 stars. These little things, the real happiness, talking about little things, sentiments, feelings, emotions. This world has been created by Srishti, and I congratulate her on this very beautiful venture of her. About Pallav, Dr. Sehgal tried to make an observation that there is a spark of violence in his writings. Violence, maybe at this moment, it's a revolt against the existing system. But very soon, I hope this maturity will bloom him into a mature writer, and this violence will turn into something beautiful which will turn the face of the society.
Indeed, it's a proud moment for the balance, but I feel it's a proud moment for the DA. Writing books, publishing it, and bringing it in front of the audience is a great job. It's not an easy task. I definitely go through the writings and then I'll be able to give my better comments on this thing. But you give it up with this thing, whatever comes in your mind, what are your thoughts, you must write them and you must express your things, and I would say you will feel all the more better by writing all these things. And aggression, no doubt, is a phenomena which is faced by all of us. Our youngsters, they are exposed to lot of media aggression, lot of violence in the society. It is effect of that. I have already gone through the first book written by Srishti. It was wonderful, and I feel the second one will be all the more better.
मुझे अपने परिवार के सदस्य ही नज़र आ रहे हैं। कुछ बड़े भाई हैं, बड़ी बहनें हैं, मेरे छोटे भाई हैं, छोटी बहनें हैं, बच्चे हैं। तो मुझे ऐसी फॉर्मेलिटी करना थोड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा है, लेकिन एक परंपरा है, आप सबने समय निकाला है हमारे लिए, तो उसके लिए मैं आप सबका धन्यवाद करती हूँ।